what's the time? Oh, I'm late. I can't have anything. I'll have to wait till they get me dinner at school. Right. Oh, Tex, you're late again, but not too late, alright? Now you were going to have the lessons on how not to be late, and that excuses you naughty boy, because you're always late. So you better start learning how not to be late at school. Okay, I will. What's that? That's the fire alarm. Everybody made their way to the outside. I feel like a white Charlie. Oh dear. Oh. I know. Now we're out here. We're gonna have to. We'll have our lunch. Don't bother about the old smell of the smoke. There's definitely a fire. I'm going to have my apple. And do you, shopkeeper? Yes. You get on with your lunch, and you the blue whale. Yeah, I'll do it. But I haven't got any lunch. Oh no. Oh dear, what am I going to do? Oh dear, oh, I feel alright, Charlie. That alarm's going off. Oh no, I shouldn't be here. Oh, let me get out of here quick. Go, where was you? Oh, look at them all eating. Oh yeah, I've had mine, Apple. Now, what are you going to do about it now? You just behave yourself while the others eat their meal. Oh, it's no good. I'm hungry. Anyway, I'm going to jump the gate. No, you don't. I don't want those gates now. Oh dear, I couldn't catch Tex. He's gone over the gate. I don't wait till I see him next week. I'm gonna go for him. Oh dear, are you all right over there? Yeah, we're okay. Yes, manager. Yeah, we're all right. Was it a real fire? Oh yes, it was a real fire, all right. They put it out. They were good boys, those fire brigade. Anyway, we'll see you next week. You can go home now. Oh, thank you very much. Thank you. We'll go. Yeah, goodbye. Bye.